This is definitely not a normal run-of-the-mill DAC amp, as it can handle many high-quality music formats such as DSD up to DSD 512, DXD up to 768 kHz, and PCM up to 768 kHz. Alright, now let's take a look at what else is in the box. So it does come with a small manual and warranty guide. Inside of the bigger box, we'll find two smaller boxes. Let's take a look at what's in there now. So iFi does provide you with a carrying pouch for your headphone amp, and it's made out of some type of velvet material. They also provide you with this short RCA connector cable. iFi provides you with these two rubber bands to secure your phone to the headphone amplifier, just like you see right here. You also get a USB A to B converter adapter. Alright, now let's take a look at what's in the second box. So you do get this little rubberized mat that you can place on top of your iFi DSD black label, and then place your phone on top of this, just like you see right here. And then you get a 3.5mm to 1/4 inch adapter. And you get a USB-A male and USB-A female cable. So this comes with 4 small rubber feet that you can put on the bottom of your micro iDSD to protect your table and other surfaces that you might put your portable DAC amp on top of. You get this small right-angled 3.5mm cable. And you also get the SPDIF coaxial to optical cable adapter. Finally, you get this USB-A female to USB-B female adapter. Okay, now let's clear the table and take a closer look at the micro iDSD black label. And here it is, the iFi micro iDSD black label. As you can see here, this DAC amp is actually not much longer than the Samsung Galaxy S7. It's only just a tad bit longer. And here is the width for comparison. Alright, so let's take a closer look at all the buttons and switches on the black label to see what you get with it. So this is the front of it. Starting with the left, you have a 1/4 inch headphone output. You have the X-Bass switch, which you can turn on and off, which is going to clean up the bass and give you nice extra bass in your music, all without distorting the sound. Then right in the middle, you do have a 3.5mm input, and right here you have the 3D Plus switch. The 3D Plus technology is going to give you additional soundstage, which is going to immerse you deeper into the music, making it seem like you're at a live performance. Then at the very end, you have the volume knob that also acts as the on-off switch. Now let's flip it over to the back side. You do have a SPDIF in and out coaxial connector here, which you can also use a SPDIF coaxial to optical cable adapter to connect an optical cable to this. You have right and left RCA outputs, and finally you have a digital USB input to connect your computer here. On the side here, you have the USB charging port, and it is a 5V 1.5 amp power connection. On the other side here, you have switches for power mode, polarity, and the different filters available. For power mode, you have eco, normal, and turbo, depending on the output power that your headphone needs. And you can also change the polarity if you need to. And you have the different filters for your music, which is standard, minimum phase, and bit perfect. Finally, if you have in-ear monitors, you can use the IE match. So you can turn it to off, high sensitivity, and ultra sensitivity. And last but not least here, you have a switch that controls between preamplifier and direct. Okay, so that does it for my unboxing of the iFi Micro iDSD Black Label, and I'd like to thank iFi for sending this out for my review. Until the next video, see you then.